Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna show to you how to travel with Wizz Air. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to their official website and you're gonna see something similar to this. So you're gonna have to simply choose one way or return. So return basically means that you go to a country once and then you want to come back, and basically gonna do all the paper and all the tickets at once. And if you want, you can select one way, but if you, it's better to select return if you plan to go back to your country. And then you're gonna have to simply choose from which country you want to travel. So I'm gonna go with random. So let me choose something random. So as you can see, you have by country, and you can see all the airports available to book. So as you can see, I'm gonna choose this one here, and then you're gonna have to choose a destination. So as you can see, you have, as I said, the countries, and let's say we want to go to, let's see. So let me go and choose Norway, and then you're gonna have to choose the departure. So when you want to travel there, so let's say for March, and when you want to return, here you have to say when you want to return, and then here you're gonna have to simply confirm and select the passenger. So you have adults, children, and infants. So I'm gonna go with one adult, and then click on confirm, and then you're gonna have to simply click on search, and basically we're gonna search for the lowest prices. As you can see, you're gonna have here the prices, and you can simply click on select, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.